my name is Nicole and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing this gorgeous Bratz collab video with the amazing Jessica. I will link her stuff over here. Go check her out, please, because she's amazing and you just gotta do it. You gotta check her out. Let me know in the comments below right now, who was your favorite Bratz doll? Mine was Yasmin. I was always this little tan girl, so, you know, Yasmin, Latina, all that jazz over here. And I decided to recreate this picture. I just loved how the little devil horns came out, on top of the fact that it was perfect because this month I am doing the color red as my theme on Instagram. If you guys have not followed me on Instagram, go over there and follow right now. Pause the video, go follow me, Vicky Nicole with 2 E's and an underscore. I'm gonna leave it right here for you. Go check it out. Alright. Now, without further ado, because my intros always start becoming hella long, without further ado, let's get into my video. Hello babes, so today we are going to be using the Plouise base in Rumor 2. I'm going to place that all over my lid and it's going to be my primer, so I just love this. Now I'm going to take this tape and this helps line up my eyeshadow. I'm going to go in with the James Charles and Morphe palette in the color You're Kidding, and I'm going to tap on the product onto my eyelids. Little by little, I'm just gonna go in, and I just wanted to fast forward that part for a little bit because it's a lot of tapping. Now we're gonna go into the color Jacz from the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going back into You're Kidding, and we will be going back and forth with these colors little by little, just making sure that it blends nice and beautifully. Now I'm going to go into, I think this is Ringlight from the James Charles and Morphe palette, and I just want to do my inner corners and my brow bone and to take it down a little bit. Now I'm going to take the primer from Plouise again and cutting my crease. I like to take my crease a little bit higher than normal just so my eyelids don't get messed up. So I'm going back in with Jacz from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and we're going to put that right at the end of the cut crease. Now going back into You're Kidding from the James Charles palette, tapping in and blending the eyeshadow a little bit better. Now I'm going into Cranberry by the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe collaboration palette, and going into Spooky now from the James Charles palette. I wanted to create this line, which wasn't technically in the Bratz video, but I thought it would be nice to see the difference because you were able to see the difference in the Bratz picture. So I just wanted to adjust and blend it out with the Jacz eyeshadow. You want to make sure you take little baby blends and try to really buff it out with that little baby brush. This is smaller than a pencil brush. It's so beautiful. Now I'm taking the eyeliner, Essence Dip Eyeliner. So my eyeliner is still not on point. I do fix it and mess up and adjust as I go along. So one day maybe I would be able to actually do a proper video. Now I'm going into You're Kidding from the James Charles palette on a pencil brush and putting it on the lower lash line. I always use the lower lash line. If not, I feel like my eyes are naked. So I just go back and forth until I feel like I'm good. Then of course taking Ringlight, and then I'm taking a little bit of Jacz and a little bit of Spooky at the end of my eye. Ooh, now we're taking Strip Down Liner, and this is the lipstick in, I'm not quite sure actually. I'll list it on the screen. So I'm going back in to Strip Down, and I had already made a little line. Now I'm adjusting my lips a little bit to make it look like those Bratz lips. They have their lips very pouty and very curvy. I wanted to make it look as natural to my lips as possible, but as poofy and plumpy as their lips. So I did go back and forth adjusting it, making sure that the shape looks nice and pretty. So there you have it, my loves, my beautiful lips. My devil ears, horns, whatever they're called. So with this, I literally am using a MAC liquid lipstick. It's in the shade Fashion Legacy. It's really the perfect red for lipstick. I really like how this shade comes out, and I tried to just draw it how I thought it looked like. I kept on looking at the picture to make sure I was drawing it right. So the horns kind of have like this curvy shape to it, and I didn't want to go all the way down to like my brow. I just wanted it to look like my horns are kind of coming out of my skin, not necessarily coming out of my brows. And that's how it shows up on the Bratz picture. Now I'm doing the tail from the bottom, adjusting it because of course my first swoop didn't come out the prettiest. So we always adjust, or at least I always adjust for any mistakes that I've made. And then the little horn, of course I have to add that little horn at the bottom, that little point. So I am a little devil, a cute little devil. So this is the end result. I hope you guys enjoyed. I still I didn't get the little choker or that cute top that she had, but you know what, we can figure things out on our own, you know. Please, if you guys have not checked out Jessica already, go check out her channel, linked down below, and I will link it somewhere in these little links around here, drop downs, all that jazz. I hope you guys enjoyed. Give it a big thumbs up. If you did, comment down below your thoughts. Who was your favorite Bratz girl? Mine was always Yasmin, because I was always super tan when I was little, and I'm even kind of tan now, but I've definitely whitened out. I don't go in the sun as much, so I don't stay as tan as I used to. But please let me know who is your favorite Bratz doll, if you had a favorite. If you didn't, just let me know. Tell me, give me your thoughts, give me your feedback. I would love to hear the good and the bad. I want to learn from you guys, so please let me know. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Join our crazy little family that we got going on over here. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to get notified about my videos. Yes. Also, if you guys have not heard, I have a podcast now. All the links of all my different podcasts are linked down below. I got Apple Music, Stitch, Anchor, Spotify, Google Podcast, and a lot more down below, so go check that out. I'm already at, I think, my podcast number 7, my episode number 7, so Journey of My Mind, check it out. And if you guys are not already, subscribed or followed my other socials. I will link them around between Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, all linked down below as well. Go check it out. Thank you guys again for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little Bratz makeover that I did over here. Love you guys so much. Bye.